Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Sam Buttram, your favorite designer from Design and Flow, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your new WordPress website's admin panel. Alright, let's get to it. Now that we're on our WordPress website, the only thing that we have to do to log into the backend admin panel is come to the end of the URL and just add /wp-admin. Click enter and it's going to bring you to the login screen for the admin panel. Just use your credentials that your admin created for you to log in and click login. If you entered your credentials correctly, you should be greeted by this page, which lets you know that you've successfully signed in to the admin panel of your new WordPress website. Congratulations. So now that you've signed into your WordPress website, you may be wondering, how do I keep the plugins updated and how do I keep WordPress updated? Stick around for the next video where I explain that in great detail.